Hello, my name is Richard L. Wingate, and I have been building rockwork my entire career, and I'm here to share with you some tips and tricks, so let's go. One of the most versatile and effective painting and texturing techniques is to dry brush. It is exactly as it sounds. You use a dry brush to apply thick paint or to create a texture in wet plaster or concrete. The tip for this method is very simple. Keep multiple brushes on hand, the ones you get wet and the ones you keep dry. This way you will always have a dry brush when you need it. But if you run short or all your brushes get wet for some reason, here's a little trick you can do. Shake out your wet brush as best you can, but to really get it back to a usable dry brush, you can brush it around in some dry dirt or dust, or brush it back and forth over some already dry shotcrete or structure coat, or flick it across a piece of rebar a few times to get rid of the excess water. Simply put, you can always quickly dry your brush by running over something that absorbs or disperses the water quickly, and in under a minute you'll have a dry brush. That's it, a tip and a trick. I hope this helps you in your rockwork simulations. I'm Richard. Thanks for watching.